Hello. My name is Carlos. Today I want to give you a quick video and talk to you about the COINME Bitcoin ATM. COINME is a startup based out of Seattle that has been installing Bitcoin ATMs across the United States with the motto to help the world gain access to virtual currency. Alright, so now to buy Bitcoin, you would go to the ATM, choose buy Bitcoin. You will scan the barcode of your ID or driver's license. You will insert cash, and then you visit the website to retrieve your Bitcoin. Now the big question is, what are the fees? We charge a 10% service fee for both buying and selling Bitcoin at our kiosks. The exception is Vancouver, which operates at a 5% service fee. So that's a pretty hefty fee. Hopefully this video was informative for you, and I bid you farewell. Until next time.